My wife Jane and I opened our business in 1985. We're based in Lenexa, Kansas. We have 12,000 square feet in this location, 25 employees. We'll run simple business cards up to very complicated manuals, a lot of different type of enhancements with foil, soft touch. We do a lot of spot UV. We were outsourcing about 15% of our business because we couldn't produce it in-house. So we were looking at a larger press. Wayne did the research and said, I really believe we need to go with an LED UV.
So we started looking around, we came across GEW. I noticed a number of installs that they had around the world. That impressed me, number one. Number two was the fact that they had a 5-year warranty on their power supply. That gave me a great comfort level because that was an issue I heard out there with other systems.
The size shop that we are, this was a major investment for us. It's like we had to make this work. We knew that we could bring in that 15% that we were outsourcing would come in-house. Our cost of goods really started to drop. The press really started to pay for itself after a little bit over a year.
Since we've added the LED technology, the ability for me to reach out to more clients and sell higher volume as well as more value-added features, that's been huge to be able to offer more than what my competition can offer.
I mean, our sales have pretty much almost doubled since we've installed the LED UV technology.
Folding carton work has become a key component to our sales. With the addition of the board press in combination with the LED curing, we're able to meet more of our customers' needs and applications.
We were oddball that we run this heavy stocks, and sure enough, we had to make some modifications, and now it works beautifully.
It gave us the opportunity to call on customers that require styrene or vinyl, plastic, synthetic substrates that in the past we were not able to do.
So when we decided to go with GEW, one of the options we wanted was to be able to move the lamp between units 4 and 3. And that would allow us to do some other things with coatings that we couldn't do before. It also allowed us to do double hit opaque white to help get a nice dense white on a dark substrate. And if we have a very heavy coverage, sometimes the yellow will contaminate. Well, now we can cure before the yellow goes down and the yellow stays clean the rest of the run. We got a job in right after we got the lamp installed, and we were struggling with how we were going to produce this job. And then we realized we could actually cure a heavy silver coverage and then lay this really fine black type on it. If we wouldn't have had this lamp configuration, I don't think we could have produced this job the way it came out. It's been a game changer for our company, this technology. There was a time where I went to an awards banquet down in Dallas, and they just kept calling my company name, and I kept going up, and about the 6th time I was just waiting for some Texas printer to trip me up on the way up there to receive the award.
We've even had customers compliment, I had someone else print this piece, but your piece looks so much sharper, and it just jumps a little bit more off the page. The quality that we produce now, there's no comparison.
Another thing too is that we do a press okay, they love it, and then it dries over the evening and it's different. It's like, and you can't anticipate that. But now with LED, it's done. What they see is what they get the next morning. It's been a great asset to our company, and I would never go back to conventional printing.
It was a game changer for J&J Printing and put us in another category in the printing community.
It's a no-brainer for us. Our next press that we purchase will be LED UV. If you're looking to improve your business, the LED UV technology is the only way to go.